Hi and welcome to the video. This is a super quick tutorial how to add a watermark to your YouTube channel, which appears on the bottom right hand side of all of your YouTube videos. This is a handy way to encourage people to subscribe to your channel. If you get something out of this video, as always, hit like, subscribe and turn on notifications. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video, guys. So here's an example of one of my videos, and here down at the bottom right hand side you can see this subscribe button here with this little watermark, and that's what we're going to add to our YouTube channel today. If you are designing your own watermark, I would suggest designing your watermark around about 150 pixels and exporting that as a PNG. If you don't fancy designing one yourself and you want to save a little bit of time, head over to my website. There is a watermark pack available for you to purchase. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check that out as well. Once you've got your file ready to go, it's time to jump into the YouTube dashboard on a desktop. Once you're inside the back end of YouTube, you want to go to the left hand side. It'll say dashboard at the top. You need to go down to customization, click on that. Once you're inside there, there's three tabs: layout, branding, basic info. Click on branding and it'll bring up these three different things that you can do. You can change your picture, you can change your banner image, and you can also add your watermark, which is this bottom one here. So to access your watermark, you'll need to click upload, navigate to where you've got your watermark and select the one that you'd like to use. Here's a couple of examples that I've got from within my watermark pack available on the website. So I'm going to use a nice white one today. So this one here will do fine. So select that one and click open. And here you've got the customized video watermark where you can do some cropping, but there's no need. If you've downloaded the pack, all these watermarks are ready to go. So just click done and that will activate that. Once it's uploaded, you'll see you've got three options. You've got an option to add the watermark to the end of the video. You've also got this next option, which is to add a custom start time. So if you wanted the watermark to pop up around about 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or anywhere within your video, you can add that custom time as well, which is pretty handy. And if you want it on there the entire video, click that bottom one there, which that's the one I'm going to choose for this video. Once you've done that, just hit publish and that is your watermark added to your channel. There you have a super easy tutorial how to add a custom watermark to your YouTube channel. Remember, if you don't have a watermark and you want to get one easily, head to the first link in the description and you can check out the watermark pack I've got available on my website. As always, if you got something out of this video, hit like, subscribe, turn on notifications and all that jazz. I look forward to seeing you in another video, guys. Thanks for watching.